Big one. What? I'm late? Yeah, you told me. Oh man. No. You didn't tell me it wasn't here. Oh mate. Come here. Oh, thank you. It's a fucking factory. But in the end, they got black cases, both.
What?
Both are black.
Yes, both.
But you told me.
Yeah, because they made the mistake, but finally I arranged.
It's mad.
Yesterday evening we did the frame protector with Arturo in the workshop. I think will work.
Yeah. It's mad. Did you put the pressure in the fork?
130, it's missing something.
130.
I think it's gonna work with 145 or something.
So this is my new 2007 KX250, completely refurbed by Yuri, my chief mechanic. We were in hospitality, just fantasizing about doing a two-stroke project together during COVID. So we pushed each other and pressed the green button, let's do it. And we were trying to source bikes from everywhere. Suddenly, like 2 bikes came up on eBay within a short distance from each other. So we, we got that done, and then it's been Yuri's little project. He's been working away. We sourced some really cool parts from everywhere, really. Talon came up trumps with our wheels. Blackbird with the stickers, making the bike look like a 2021 bike, but with retro style. So I can't wait to ride it. I think the biggest thing that needed adapted was the rear linkage and rear shock, because whilst the heart of the bike's a KX250, the front end of the bike's a modern day bike, so it has modern day triple clamps with offset, factory Showa front forks and kit rear shock. So the front of the bike is modern day bike, so the rear of the bike with the swing arm and chassis combination that we wanted to keep standard and not make a hybrid, like put a new engine into a modern day chassis. So we still have that steel frame chassis. I think this is the bike that James Stewart would have rode.
I think the last one was, not sure.
Ricky Carmichael with
Probably,
the Chevy trucks.
No, was the previous one. The last one was...
Would have been James Stewart, no?
I think Stewart at that time was the 125 rider.
Okay.
He swapped to the 4-stroke straight away. Anyway, this is a fantastic bike.
But yeah, it was a big surprise because the bike was coming together, and the last thing to arrive and put everything was the sticker kit. And I asked Ori to bring the bike on Thursday or yesterday, and I had some time to do it and to put the finishing touches. But after track walk today, I came back and Game had me in front of the garage with the door down. He said, "Hey, wait here," and they put the door up and the bike was there. So it's mad. I can't thank you enough, mate. It's fucking legend. This guy is a legend.
You deserve, Theo. You deserve everything.
He's mad. He's fucking mad.